make your own easy fishing net mount. Now, this particular mount was designed or modified to work on a center console boat with a hardtop and grab rails. We do a lot of fishing, especially in the fall run for bass. There's a lot of activity on the gunnels, whether it be fishing or netting the fish. And I just found it very inconvenient or in the way to mount the fishing net either in a rod holder or under the gunnels. It's just in the way of all the activity. Mounting them on a fishing rod holder on the center console also kind of gets in the way because they constantly get tangled in the hooks. So I decided to hang the net from the grab bar on the center console roof. This may not be perfect for every application or every boat. This is just how I did it, and I figured I'd just show you guys. This way you could use something similar or modify it slightly to work on your own boat. So anyway, what I decided to do, I went down to the local marine hardware store, and I found some plastic hooks. These are meant for bungee cords. They're called stay put adjuster hooks. And they allow you to put tension or to adjust the tension on a regular standard bungee cord. We're not going to use them that way. We're going to modify them. So I'm going to mount this onto about 1.5 inch diameter grab bar. So I'm going to grind a arc on one side of that hook. I did it with a belt sander. You don't need a belt sander. You could do this with an angle grinder. You could do it with a pin saw. You could even do it with a file. It's just injection molded plastic. It modifies very easily. In addition, I found these bungee cord with toggle balls. These are small cords that have a ball, allows you to wrap around an object and secure the bungee to it. So I'm going to take that bungee cord and insert it right through the slot on the plastic hook. That's going to allow that bungee to wrap around the grab bar and secure itself. What's really nice about this is it's plastic, so there's no metal. Nothing's going to scratch the finish on the grab bar. Nothing's going to rust. Very easy to install, and very quick. You can take it off very quickly. The fishing net just hangs right on that. I decided to use 2 hooks on each side, and I created one of these on the port and one on the starboard side, so I'd have access to nets very easily on both sides of the boat. Anyway, very simple. I hope you guys can either utilize something like this or modify it slightly so it would work on your boat's setup as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and follow. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a whole section of do-it-yourself boating projects on there, as well as fishing-related do-it-yourself crafts. Thank you very much for watching.